Hey, Merchant Center Mastery peeps. Wanted to quickly discuss something that is maybe new in your Google Merchant Center Next account if you are not in it daily like I find myself. And that is this generate videos with AI. So if you remember, Google's begun moving all of the things to the left-hand menu nav, which, is left-hand nav menu, whatever, which is really nice because that's the format that really all of their products are. So where this is it's in creative content, and that's to me a sign of things to come. I have a feeling that they're going to add more and more to this. We're familiar with Product Studio, of course. There are some cool things increasingly that you can do with that, so keep an eye on that. But also now they have something called video assets, and this increasingly, if you've been monitoring what's happening, especially last week, at least at the time of recording, Google's Nano Banana 3 Pro, whatever it is. I hate names like that, all right? But that just came out, and that's been incredible in terms of what it can do with, images and video and that sort of thing. So at least on the images side, is that what drives their video? I actually don't know that. Oh, gosh. Oh, whatever. All that to say, whatever the tech is in Gemini and that team, they're doing things with video as well. And so one of the things that you can do is we'll just walk through a little bit of what to do here, and you can kind of see an example. So we have, the different themes. I would imagine that this theme is going to increasingly, these are likely going to expand for sure. But you can kind of get an idea of the sort of theme. They even have, if you just mouse over it, you even see kind of some cool little descriptions of what it looks like. Let's just grab one. Don't generate video. You want to do next here. And that's because we're going to discuss, the headline. So I haven't really thought of this, but let's say headline is a great gift for the PPC professional in your life. And you can add audio. Let's say mellow. Let's say mellow. Let's see what it comes up with here. See what it comes up with. All right, so it said it could take up to 3 minutes. Honestly, that was like 30 seconds, but I paused video just in case. And I'm curious to see what we got here. I'm not sure if you can hear the music. I don't think you can. It's very loud in my ears. Yeah, so I hate this. So, I mean, it is what it is. As far as I know, there's no way to edit the whole, try it now thing, as you can see. I mean, so here's my thing. And I think this is what's important here. All right, so at some point, my suggestion to you is to not ignore this, although hopefully you can see that it's pretty lacking. And this even gives you an indication if you have auto-generated video settings on within Google Ads. This even gives you an indication of what that looks like. It's not great, although sometimes, as much as I hate to say it, sometimes that can be what distracts you on a website, and you see this without the music and it's just playing. And so I turned the music off so I could actually hear. But here's the deal. Undoubtedly, this AI is going to get better, as well as our ability to adjust it and prompt it and make suggestions in order to adjust the video. So all that to say, right now, this is what the Video Product Studio, this is what the video is. You might find, an example of one that you like. And if that's the case and that's what you want to do, then I'll regenerate this and try it. If that's what you want to do, that's great. If you like it, if you figure out how to use it, that's great. One of the reasons I wanted to call attention to this was just to keep you aware of what's coming for Google. This is absolutely going to be better in the future, and it is absolutely how a lot of small businesses are going to quickly create video ads as part of their shopping, Google Merchant Center, Google Shopping experience, especially moving into PMax. So in some ways, this is a heads up, FYI thing, rather than a you should definitely run and use this. Just because there's going to be some issue with the quality for now. That's not always going to be the case. So not much to discuss or for questions. Just be aware of this, and we'll look forward to when it actually starts rolling out and it's usable. So see ya.